Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jackie and I love to do hauls, some makeup looks, some fashion inspo, some car vlogs, some home decor. If that's something you'd be interested, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button, join the fam. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back. So I did this smoky eye. The one I did yesterday, the grayish black, didn't come out. It didn't film. It didn't record. I don't know. But I wanted to do something simple. Let me know what you think. And if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, we gonna try this again. So I already did my face. I always start with my face. We're going in with the Royal Affair from BH Cosmetics. Looks like this. And yesterday's look was more of a gray smoky eye. Today I want to do more of like a burgundy kind of smoky eye. So I'm gonna take this color. No. I'm gonna take this Sculpt Power from number 7, and I'm gonna take this color with my sponge, right? We're gonna add it to the lid. That's gonna be my base. Okay, simple. Now, with the same sponge, I'm gonna take this color and just put it towards the front. And I know what you're thinking. You just did a shimmer to put something flat. Yes. Because once I spray it, it's gonna look shimmery, just not very like glittery kind of thing. So yeah, now I'm gonna take this pinky mauvey color with a brush. This one will be with a brush. And if you hear my stomach, ignore it. I'm gonna add it to the center and almost to the end. And I'm tapping because I already did my foundation. It looks very pink, which is not what I thought, but like that. I'm gonna use the same brush. Actually, no. I'm gonna take this one. And I'm gonna take this color, which is like a burgundy-ish kind of color. I'm gonna take my handy dandy tag. I'm just gonna put it like this. And I'm gonna tap. Bring it kind of close to the lash line so it looks like it's gonna be part of my eyeliner. Like that. So it is a nice clean cut, and this line I will use when I do my wing liner. So that's how that looks. We'll do the same over here. I feel like you need just a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with the sponge, and I'm gonna take this color down here, which has a little bit of shimmer, and I'm gonna take my sponge and tap it towards the end. I don't know if you can see that difference, but that's how it's looking. Okay, now I'm going to take a little flatter brush. I'm going to go back in with that burgundy color that we added to the top. Really close to the lash line. If you hear me wheezing, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Be fine. Okay. And a little bit here. A little bit up here, close to the lash line. So it looks like it's a liner, but I don't like it like that. So we're gonna go in with the this is the one size liner, and I'm gonna use that same line to do the liner. Like that. Now I'm gonna take my Revlon Voluminous Black. I'm gonna do it really close to the lash line on the top. On the bottom. Now we're gonna do the brows. All right, so for the lips, I went in with the LA Girl Shock in the color Nude. This is from Essence number 6 Real. Looks like that. A nice burgundy cranberry color. I thought I pressed the record and I didn't. Hopefully this doesn't happen when I go to refilm what I'm about to film. For my hair, I put some dry shampoo just to poof it up because I think I want to curl it. I'm not sure what I want to do, or just drop it. I don't know, but this is the look. A nice, simple cranberry smoky eye. So let's go film. Okay, so that's the look. That's how it looks. A nice, smoky, simple eye. Simple look on the lips. A little bit of blush. Very easy look. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.